Now I'm going to use the clear silicone to caulk around this valve trim. This has a rubber gasket behind here, but this will be just like a just-in-case kind of thing. Just be careful on the bottom. There is a hole. You want to not caulk that in case water does get in here. It's going to need a place to escape so it doesn't just sit there. And that's the same with the spout as well. Caulk this in. Clean that up. This is going to move around a little bit on you in most cases, so just beware of that. And just don't caulk in the hole at the bottom. Cool.